Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open an account with Tangerine Bank. To open an account with Tangerine, you can apply online or by using their mobile banking app. The mobile app is often the fastest and easiest way to sign up. The requirements to open an account include being a resident of Canada and meeting the minimum age requirements for the specific account type. For a savings or checking account, the minimum age is 16. You will also need to provide some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and Canadian address. You will also need your social insurance number, especially if you're opening an interest-earning account. Tangerine will verify your identity. If you use the mobile app, you can do this digitally by scanning a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a Canadian driver's license, and taking a selfie. If you apply online, you may need to provide additional proof of residency, like a utility bill or a bank statement. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive your client number, and you can start banking online or with the app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.